This is the SwimJet X series, and this is probably the most exciting thing that's happened to our pool in a long time. Let's unbox it. We're gonna have some fun. I've been admiring this from afar, and I'm so excited to actually get my hands on it. I'll do a review here in a week or two once I really get to know the product, but let's just see what comes in it. This, I believe, is the battery pack. Boy, it is nicely packed in all this foam. Yeah, that's solid. Oh yeah, okay. Let's see. Wow, that is heavy duty. So this is the adapter. Look how big it is. That is a true brick. Okay, the cabling. You know, you can tell a lot about a product by its cabling. If you have a chintzy, cheap, thin cable, you've probably got a chintzy, cheap, thin product. And this is not cheaply made at all. This is a heavy duty, I mean, what you'd expect from a device at this cost, but it's beefy, it's powerful, it's good. All right, so that's that. Now let's look and see what this actual battery looks like. Oh yeah. Man, this is, this is beautiful. Wow, it's heavy too. It's a lot of battery there. So I did look up this earlier. It's got a 60 milliampere hour battery to it. So it can go as long as 10 hours. So I'm guessing that would be 10 hours at probably its lowest function, which would probably be 6 milliamperes or ampere hours per hour. So that's probably where you get that 10-hour runtime, or much less for at a higher speed. All right, so there's the battery. It's even got a handle. That's really nice. I don't know what this weighs, but it's probably 25 pounds. I mean, it's hefty, which it needs to be because batteries are heavy and you want it to be big, and this is a big battery. All right, it's got rubber feet to the bottom of it as well. So it's gonna be really nice here on my concrete. I'm not gonna feel like I'm destroying it every single time I set it down. Looks like there's also, pretty simplistic, there's a orange, this is probably a kill button. Just shuts the whole thing off. Got an in for charging and an out. So cool, simple enough. All right, now 3 buttons on top. I'll show you all this later in the review. Looks like power, looks like your speed, and then looks like timers. Cool. All right, let's do this here. When we built this pool, we built it, I believe it's 37 feet long, which is really long. It's like the biggest pool of any of our friends, but it's still not long enough to really swim laps. I mean, you can. I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 7 strokes, and then I hit the wall. And since I'm not an Olympian, I don't do that flipping under the water thing. So I just turn around, kick off, and go back, or don't kick off because that allows you to add another stroke. But the point is, I've never really been able to do strokes in here very much because like I could do 50 laps and it just wears you out, just having to turn all the time. So this is a completely welcome sight. Oh man, this looks so cool. This is like a Ferrari. All right, check this out, guys. That is a beautiful design machine. Oh man, since I'm just unboxing it right now, just at first glance, another really capable power cord. I mean, this thing looks like it should go in your breaker box in your garage. That is thick. It's like an inch thick. That's really nice. At first glance, hardened plastic. I love the color scheme. It's got wheels, so you can just pull it out and pull it in. I'll probably keep this in my garage. Also, it looks like this is adjustable, so you can put it in your pool as low or as high as you want. So let's just see how hard that is or easy that is. Looks like we're just gonna pull there. Nope, that's the handle. Oh, you turn, you twist it, okay. Oh yeah, that's it, okay. Slide it to where you want. Gotta just line up the peg with the hole. Ah, okay. Now I see these little screws have an orientation. They need to be horizontal. So then when you slide it in, it goes right into the hole. Yeah, that's cool. All right, so that's there. Rubber stoppers here. So when you set against the pool wall, it won't be bumping up against your tile or your PebbleTech. Looks like though this needs to flip So let me go ahead and do that now. Okay, well that's that. All right, so looking at this in the direction of my pool, I'm gonna have a couple of options. First option will be right here, and I can swim against the current right here, or I can put it underneath my diving board and swim in the deep end. We will discover that next week to see which one's better. So I'm pretty sure this is not charged. Well, that was about as simple of a unboxing as it gets for such a big machine. We'll play around with it, but man, I'm so excited about this. We're gonna make some memories. All right, I'll get back with you, but that's the unbox, pretty simple.